I'm Pravina. My project title is Video Surveillance for Situation Awareness Unit. This project is done to understand the activity and the interaction in a complicated scene. For example, crowded traffic scene, a railway station, and a shopping mall. In such scenes, individual objects are often not easily tracked, and many different types of activities often occur simultaneously. For that purpose, I created this video surveillance so that it is easily we can take that particular video and place it in this Bayesian model. This is nothing but simply a graph. This contains a picture points where a video will be placed on this graph like this format. If once we click the view, our video will be placed on this graph. Whatever point we need, that particular portion will be selected, and that particular portion will be viewed separately so that we can easily track and detect what is happening in that particular scene. So now I'm clicking view all. Here we can see the video is running on. Here I'm giving a color for particular scenes. For pink will be representing the horizontal traffic. Now we can see that horizontal traffic is moving over here, and the blue will be representing a vertical vehicles from left making a left turn. See here, it's making a left from the left turn. It's moving around here. Left is making a left turns. Every color will be having some way of denoting their traffics. Now yellow will be representing as an people walk without a traffic. Without the traffic is walking here. And now green. The green will represent a vertical traffic. We can see here there is a vertical traffic over here and over here. Similarly, a color has been given for each traffic. What are the ways their vehicles are moving? For that type, the colors has been given to show what is going on in this video. And now the blue represents the vehicles from bottom makes a right turn. See here, the van is moving towards the right. And similarly, it will be repeating again for the pink, blue, sky blue, and the dark blue. Now I'm going to select a particular area. Let me select 11.1 to 13.9. Starting row and column is 11.1. Where is 11.1? Yeah, it's here. 11.1, and ending is 12.9. Yeah. Now I'm going to give the file name as Orish. This is what I created in my project file name, and now I'm going to click OK button. Once I click the OK button, we can see here in that particular portion that video will be converted into pixels. That much we can see here it increasing randomly because this much pixels is been there between these two starting and the ending points. Starting rows and columns and ending rows and columns contains this much till the pixels get over. Once it converts this video clip into pixels, the selected portion alone will give some huge number of pixels. Till that we have to wait. It contains more pixels. In milliseconds it will convert all this video clip into pixels. Till that we have to wait patiently. Once it stopped, that shows that between these two starting and ending portion contains this much of pixels. It will go up to 1000. It depends on the points we going to select, and depends on the how much pixels is there between these starting and the ending point of the video clip. That particular video will be given, will be taken, and that particular video will be detected and tracked using this video surveillance. Now it has been increased to 567, sorry, 59, and now it reached 900. It increasing randomly, now it came to 1000. Until it stops here, we can't do anything over here. Now it reached to 1199. Now I'm going to give start detect. It's asked me for whether I have to detect in horizontal view or in a vertical view. Now I'm going to detect it in a horizontal view. In the directory name, I'm going to give the file name Orish, and I'm going to give start. The portion what I have selected has been came here. I given first line, and I'm going to give start detection. That part alone will be seen here. See, the vehicle is moving here. In this case, the clouded image will be seen here. In here, the box view will be seen here. This is a original video. This part is a original video, and this part is a detecting part, and this is the tracking part. The objects which whatever it's moving, it will be seen only in a box view, and it will be showing in a clouded view. Whatever part we need, that part will be that part alone will be selected and can be seen separately. Through this, detecting and tracking can be done. This is what about my video surveillance. In many cases, the steady video, not moving video, the moving video will be giving it will give more disturbance, that won't be clear. The steady video will help us, like that video will be in stations, shopping malls, those videos will be in a standing view, they won't be moving. That type of video clip will be make easier to track and detect the objects, whatever is happening in a crowded and complicated scenes. This is what about my projects. Thank you.